Greetings everyone. So in this lecture we will discuss about carbon ion. So what is a carbon ion? An ion in which carbon has a negative charge. So this carbon, it can form 3 bonds with other atom and it has one lone pair of electrons which represents its negative charge. For example, we have simple CH3 negative. This is methyl carbon ion. C negative triple bond CH. This is formed from acetylene. So this is acetylide ion. So carbon has lone pair of electrons, so it can donate electrons to the electron deficient species. Now methods of formation. Carbon ions are formed when heterolytic fission of the bond takes place. So this is simple CH4 molecule. CH4 में से electron pair H positive is eliminated and we will get this simple methyl carbon ion plus H positive. Also we can get the carbon ion by the addition of nucleophile to carbon-carbon multiple bonds. So this is we have any compound having multiple, that is double or triple bond. If a nucleophile gets added to it, so nucleophile, if it will attack on this carbon atom, then electrons will move away because nucleophile already has the negative charge. So we will get C negative and this nucleophile will make the bond. So this carbon, it has negative charge, that's why it is called as carbon ion. So structure of carbon ion. In carbon ion, carbon is sp3 hybridized. So we will get 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, out of which 3 sp3 hybrid orbitals, they will form single bonds with other atoms, and 4th sp3 hybrid orbital, it will have lone pair of electrons. It will accommodate lone pair of electrons. So it has distorted tetrahedral or pyramidal structure. So classification is, we have simple methyl carbon ion CH3 negative. Then if we remove one hydrogen atom, we will attach one CH3 group. So this carbon which has negative charge, it is connected to one carbon atom. For example, here we have CH3 group. So this carbon having negative charge is connected to one carbon atom. This is called as primary carbon ion, or we can say it is ethyl carbon ion. If we remove one more hydrogen atom and we attach one more alkyl group, so carbon atom having negative charge, it is connected to two carbon atom. This is secondary carbon ion or isopropyl carbon ion. If we remove one more hydrogen atom, we will attach one more CH3 group. So this carbon having negative charge, it is connected to 3 carbon atom. This is tertiary carbon ion or tertiary butyl. Its name is tertiary butyl carbon ion. So if we talk about their stability order is that methyl carbon ion is most stable as compared to primary carbon ion, that is ethyl carbon ion, which is further more stable than secondary carbon ion, that is isopropyl carbon ion, which is further more stable than tertiary carbon ion, that is tertiary butyl carbon ion. Now this can be explained on the basis of inductive effect. Inductive effect, as we know that methyl group, it has plus I effect or electron releasing of inductive effect. So more the plus I effect, more the number of methyl groups which are attached to negatively charged carbon atom, more will be the plus I effect. More is the plus I effect, more will be the concentration of negative charge. This CH3 group, it will donate donate the electrons to the negatively charged carbon ion. Now this carbon already has negative charge. If it will donate the electrons, so negative charge will get concentrated, because of which concentration of charge will take place, so energy of the system will increase and stability will decrease. Now because of one methyl group, we have plus I effect, which decreases the stability. In secondary carbon ion, we have 2 methyl group, which will decrease the stability furthermore. And in tertiary carbon ion, we have 3 methyl groups, so plus I effect will be maximum, so stability will be minimum. So on the basis of inductive effect, we can say that methyl carbon ion is most stable as compared to primary, then secondary, and then tertiary. Also hybridization, we can explain the stability order on the basis of hybridization. This is for the compounds having multiple bonds. For example, this is alkynyl carbon ion, carbon ion having triple bond. We are comparing its stability with alkynyl carbon ion having double bond, and alkyl carbon ion. Now we know that more the S character, more is the electron attracting tendency, or more is the electronegativity, and more easily it can accommodate the negative charge. So here carbon is sp hybridized, so it has 50% S character as compared to alkynyl carbon ion. So here the carbon is sp2 hybridized and here the carbon is sp3 hybridized. So it has 50% S character, 33% S character, and 25% S character. So this has maximum S character, it can accommodate the negative charge more effectively. So this is most stable, then alkynyl carbon ion, then alkyl carbon ion. Also resonance के basis पे भी we can explain the stability order. In case of allyl carbon ion, it shows resonance because negative charge shows the electron movement like this. So yes, we have resonance. Because of resonance, energy will decrease and stability will increase. सो नेक्स्ट इज बेंजाइल कार्बोनाइन. बेंजाइल कार्बोनाइन में अगर हम देखें, सो दिस इज सिंपल मिथाइल कार्बोनाइन. सिंपल मिथाइल कार्बोनाइन का एक हाइड्रोजन हटा के हमने फिनाइल ग्रुप लगा दिया. सो दिस इज बेंजाइल कार्बोनाइन. इसमें रेजोनेंस पॉसिबल है, येस. सो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल मूव ऑन दिस साइड एंड दीज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल मूव ऑन दिस साइड. सो वी विल गेट CH2. यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे. अभी भी रेजोनेंस पॉसिबल है, येस. दीज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल मूव ऑन दिस साइड एंड दीज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल मूव ऑन दिस कार्बन. सो वी विल गेट दिस स्ट्रक्चर एंड दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल मूव ऑन दिस साइड, दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन विल मूव ऑन दिस कार्बन. वी विल हैव दिस स्ट्रक्चर. सो बिकॉज ऑफ वन फिनाइल ग्रुप इट हेल्प्स द डिस्पर्सल ऑफ नेगेटिव चार्ज. वन फिनाइल ग्रुप लीड्स टू द 4 रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर. सो डिस्पर्सल ऑफ नेगेटिव चार्ज जो कि एक कार्बन पे था, अब वो डिस्पर्स होकर पूरे 6 कार्बन एटम पे डिस्पर्स हो रहा है. सो डिस्पर्सल ऑफ चार्ज विल इंक्रीज एंड स्टेबिलिटी विल इंक्रीज. अगर हम इसका एक हाइड्रोजन हटा के एक फिनाइल ग्रुप और लगा दें, तो वी विल गेट डाई फिनाइल मिथाइल कार्बोनाइन. डाई फिनाइल मिथाइल कार्बोनाइन में एज वी हैव ड्रॉन अर्लियर ऑल्सो, अब इन द अबव स्ट्रक्चर एक फिनाइल ग्रुप की वजह से 4 रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर मिल रहे हैं, तो 2 फिनाइल ग्रुप की वजह से वी विल गेट 6 रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स. सो मोर द डिस्पर्सल ऑफ चार्ज विल टेक प्लेस एंड मोर इज द डिस्पर्सल ऑफ चार्ज, मोर द स्टेबिलिटी विल इंक्रीज. सो डाई फिनाइल मिथाइल कार्बोनाइन विल बी मोर स्टेबल. अभी भी पॉसिबिलिटी है कि इसका एक हाइड्रोजन हटा के हम एक मिथाइल ग्रुप और लगा दें, बेंजाइल ग्रुप और लगा दें, फिनाइल ग्रुप. सो वी विल गेट ट्राई फिनाइल मिथाइल कार्बोनाइन. तो अब देखो यहाँ पे भी रेजोनेंस पॉसिबल है, येस. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इधर मूव कर जाएंगे, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इस बेंजीन रिंग पे मूव कर जाएंगे, तो बेंजीन रिंग पे ही मूव करते रहेंगे. सो बिकॉज ऑफ 1 फिनाइल ग्रुप वी विल गेट 3 स्ट्रक्चर्स, बिकॉज ऑफ 3 फिनाइल ग्रुप्स वी विल गेट 9 स्ट्रक्चर्स. सो मोर इज द डिस्पर्सल ऑफ चार्ज, more is the stability. So stability order can be written as triphenyl methyl carbanion is most stable as compared to diphenyl methyl carbanion, which is further more stable than simple methyl phenyl carbanion or benzyl carbanion. Thank you.